create one app for Android. It may be easier than you think, especially if what you want is to make an app from a website. Today we tell you how to turn a WordPress into an Android app functional. It is possible to do it without previous knowledge and without programming. You just need a website hosted on a WordPress hosting and a few euros or dollars to buy a quality plugin. It is highly recommended that the web in WordPress have one good loading speed and is fully optimized. For this, it is necessary to have a good manager and a good hosting service such as WordPress. Thinking about this process can be a headache if you don't know the shortcuts. You must think about a design, hiring a developer, hosting costs, etc. The reality is that creating a WordPress one-page Android app is much simpler than all that. What's more, you don't even need code knowledge. If you have managed to open and maintain your website in a service like WordPress, you will know how to create an app based on the method that we are going to tell you. What you need: have access to the control panel of your page in WordPress and buy a plugin. Plugins are the greatest ally of a user who has no programming knowledge. They make changes or optimize services almost automatically. There are also plugins that allow you to create a web-based app. Yes, as you read it. There are a lot of these plugins available on different websites. It is a matter of searching for the following terms in the plugin store that you usually use: Web App or Android App Builder. Here are several quality plugins that allow you to do so. These plugins are paid, which ensures their quality. Which to choose? Each one has its key features, so we recommend you take a look at everything they offer and choose the one that suits you best. They all follow the same dynamic. You buy it, you install in your WordPress, and perform the configuration of the app. Once you have finished configuring them, about 30 minutes on average, you will be able to create an APK file. Probably the biggest advantage of developing the app in this way is carefree. Most of these plugins have automated change support, so any changes you make to the WordPress will be reflected in the app. You will not need to hire maintenance or include extra content in the app. Everything will be done automatically. You may create the app and publish it on app stores and only worry about the web and having the corresponding plugin updated. You have already seen that moving from web to app is pretty easy with this method. What's more, the most complicated process comes after obtaining the APK. This file allows you to install it on a smartphone and run it, but you must offer it in the default app store. Indeed, the Google Play Store. You must register as a developer, accept their terms, and pay a small fee to be able to upload applications. Initially, this type of plugin leaves everything ready so that you can upload the APK, and Google Play approve it. Still, you should be careful about the names, descriptions, and images you use. If you were thinking of creating an Android app for your WordPress website, now you have an idea of how to do it in the simplest and cheapest way that exists. You can always reach to us for inquiries. If this video really helped you, why not hit the subscribe button below, like and share.